Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're new to sublimation, you've probably heard about its vibrant, long-lasting designs and wondered how to get started. Sublimation is one of the best ways to personalize items like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner, from how sublimation works to the tools you need and the step-by-step process. By the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence to dive into sublimation printing and start creating amazing custom items. Let's get started. Sublimation printing is a process that transfers dye into a substrate, such as fabric, metal, or ceramic, using heat and pressure. Unlike traditional printing methods, where the design sits on top of the material, sublimation embeds the ink into the surface. This results in vibrant, durable designs that won't peel, crack, or fade over time. It's perfect for creating high-quality custom products. To get started with sublimation, you'll need a few essential tools and materials. The most important is a sublimation printer. These printers are specifically designed to use sublimation ink. Popular options include sawgrass printers and converted Epson printers, which are affordable for beginners. Make sure the printer you choose is compatible with sublimation ink to ensure quality results. Next, you'll need sublimation ink and paper. Sublimation ink is specially formulated to turn into a gas when exposed to heat, bonding with polyester or polymer-coated surfaces. Sublimation paper is equally important, as it's designed to hold the ink and release it during the heat transfer process. High-quality ink and paper are essential for achieving vibrant colors and sharp designs. A heat press is another crucial tool for sublimation. Unlike a standard iron, a heat press provides consistent heat and pressure, which are necessary for transferring the design. If you're sublimating smaller items like mugs or tumblers, you'll need a specialized mug press or a convection oven. For t-shirts, tote bags, and other flat items, a standard flat heat press works perfectly. Sublimation only works on specific materials, so choosing the right substrates is key. For fabric projects, use items with at least 65% polyester content. 100% polyester works best. For hard surfaces like mugs, coasters, or keychains, make sure they're coated with a polymer layer. Sublimation ink won't bond with cotton or uncoated materials, so always check compatibility before starting. Now that you know the basics, let's go over the step-by-step sublimation process. Start by creating your design using graphic design software like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva. Keep in mind that sublimation produces the best results with vibrant, high-contrast designs. If your design includes text or directional elements, remember to mirror it before printing so it appears correctly on the final product. Once your design is ready, print it onto sublimation paper using your sublimation printer. Set your printer to high resolution and select the appropriate paper type for the best results. Allow the ink to dry completely before moving on to the next step to avoid smudging. Prepare your substrate by ensuring it's clean and free of dust or debris. For fabrics, use a lint roller to remove any fibers that could interfere with the transfer process. For hard surfaces, wipe them with rubbing alcohol to remove oils or residue. Align the sublimation paper with the substrate, securing it with heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting during the transfer. Set your heat press to the recommended temperature and time, typically around 375 degrees to 400 degrees for 45 to 60 seconds. Place your substrate with the attached sublimation paper into the press and apply medium pressure. Use a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect both the heat press and the substrate. Once the transfer is complete, carefully remove the substrate and allow it to cool. Peel off the sublimation paper to reveal your design. The colors should appear vibrant, and the design should be smooth and fully bonded to the surface. If you notice any imperfections, check your heat press settings and ensure the sublimation paper was applied evenly. Sublimation is incredibly versatile, allowing you to create a wide range of products. Custom t-shirts, mugs, coasters, tote bags, and keychains are just a few examples. It's also a great way to make personalized gifts for weddings and such. The possibilities are endless, and as you gain experience, you can experiment with more complex designs and projects. For beginners, there are a few common mistakes to watch out for. One is using the wrong materials. Always double-check that your substrates are compatible with sublimation. Another is not applying enough heat or pressure, which can result in dull or incomplete transfers. Practice and experimentation are key to mastering the process. If you're starting a small business, sublimation is an excellent choice. The ability to produce high-quality, personalized items makes it popular with customers. Focus on offering unique designs and maintaining consistent quality to stand out in the market. Investing in good equipment and materials up front will help you deliver professional results and build your brand reputation. Finally, let's talk about caring for your sublimated items. Sublimated designs are highly durable, but proper care can extend their lifespan even further. For fabric items, wash them inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using bleach or harsh detergents, and air dry whenever possible. For hard surfaces, clean with a soft cloth and mild soap to maintain the vibrancy of the design. And there you have it, a complete guide to sublimation for beginners. With the right tools, materials, and techniques, you can create stunning, professional quality designs that stand the test of time. Whether you're crafting for fun, making gifts, or starting a business, sublimation is a rewarding and versatile printing method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative ideas. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your first sublimation projects in the comments. See you in the next video.